Welcome back, everyone. How about a dish that's simple, delicious, and the heart of Southern Italian cooking?
Yummy. We're talking classic linguine with clams. Let's grab a bite with 7's Belkys and Ray.
The chef, Mario Spina of Sunset Catch Restaurant in Pompano Beach.
I wanted to bring some of the traditional Sicilian recipe from Italy into Pompano Beach.
That means simple, elegant seafood dishes served up on the Intercoastal Waterway with gorgeous sunsets every evening.
Every night is different. Every night it gets more beautiful than the night before.
The dish, linguine with clams.
It's very simple, very easy to make.
First, add dry linguine to a pot of salted boiling water. Then make the garlic sauce.
We put some fresh sliced garlic, olive oil, extra virgin, little red crushed pepper.
Put the pan on high heat and saute. Once the garlic starts to brown, add a dozen middle neck clams that have been rinsed and dried.
I use Italian wine. Today we're going to use a Pinot Grigio Masi. Just flambe a little bit.
Once the fire dies down, cover your pan and let the clams steam.
With this heat, no more than 5 to 7 minutes.
After a few minutes, give the clams a shake and you'll see them start to open.
If they don't open, don't use. It means they're dead. One clam will ruin the whole dish.
Next, add some chopped parsley and a little bit of pasta water. When the clams are fully open, add the linguine and stir.
Let it get the flavor with all the juice, with the pasta absorb the beautiful fresh flavor from the ocean.
Add a little more parsley and it's ready to plate. Garnish with more parsley, olive oil, and fresh pepper.
With the linguine clams that I just prepared, I like Masi, Bianco, Pinot Grigio. Welcome to Sunset Catch Restaurant. This is the linguine clams. Buon appetito.
To get the recipe on your cell phone, text the word BITE to 23,000 or log on to our website at WSVN.com. Print the recipe and bring it to Sunset Catch for a free glass of wine with dinner. Tell them we sent you. In the Newsplex, I'm Belkys and Ray. Buon appetito.